The automobile industry continues to evolve. Continued advancements in engine designs and structures are producing engines that are more complex and compact. Work environments are being transformed to cater towards increased demands on auto mechanics. We at Koken Tool Company Limited, specialists in socket wrench manufacturing, have been committed to the development of automotive tools which are more suitable for practical use. Pouring in our passion and experience obtained over half a century to create the Z Series. Z stands for zeal. Through their unequaled performance, Z Series tools are certain to become the mechanic's new standard for the next generation of automotive tools. Introducing the features of Z Series, which is designed for practical use. This ratchet handle, a new mechanism for enhanced usability. The ratchet has incredibly light turning torque that enables working on loosely tightened bolts. With the compact head and balanced design, the Z Series ratchet has evolved into what can be called the ideal ratchet handle. A socket does not work by itself. It can be a purposeful tool when attached to a ratchet or other drive accessories. Movement at the joint between them has been accepted as unavoidable. To reduce this movement, we thoroughly reviewed dimensional accuracy of all the joint parts of Z Series, and any movement in the rotating direction has now been minimized through production technologies. In addition, the new ball holding system was installed. Any movement in the connecting direction has been reduced by the mechanism that pulls the parts together. All items in this series are now more compact. In particular, the length and diameter of sockets have been significantly reduced. Foregoing the ISO and DIN standards, radical design concepts have been implemented in producing the Z Series, which enables maximum potential in all professional mechanics. Unquestionably, the exact mechanic standard. It could have only been developed by the made-in-Japan socket wrench manufacturer Koken. That's Z Series.